In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a GA4 dashboard in just 5 minutes. Creating a GA4, Google Analytics 4 dashboard can seem daunting at first, especially if you're not familiar with Google's suite of tools. But fear not, I'm here to guide you through each step of the process, ensuring that by the end of this tutorial, you'll not only have your very own GA4 dashboard, but also a deeper understanding of how to navigate and utilize Google Analytics to your advantage. Let's get started. The very first thing you'll need to do is go to Google. This might seem obvious, but it's the gateway to accessing all of Google's services, including analytics. Once you're there, you're going to click on Sign In. This is crucial because to access your analytics data, you need to be logged into your Google account. After clicking on Sign In, the next step is to choose the Google account you wish to use. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you select the one associated with your analytics. Then, enter your password for that account. Security is key here, ensuring that only you can access your account's private and sensitive information. Once you've entered your password, you'll click on Next. This will officially sign you into your Google account. From here, you're one step closer to accessing the wealth of data that Google Analytics offers. Next, click on Google Apps, which is located at the top right of the screen. Google Apps is essentially your dashboard for navigating through the various tools Google offers, from Docs to Sheets, and most importantly for us, Google Analytics. Now click on Google Analytics. This is where the magic happens. Once inside Google Analytics, you'll navigate to the Reports section. This is the heart of analytics, where all your data comes to life in the form of reports and insights. In the Reports section, you'll find an option to Customize Report on the right side. This is where you get to tailor the report to your specific needs. Customization is a powerful feature that allows you to control and focus on the metrics that are most relevant to you and your business. By now, you've likely noticed the right panel. Here is where you can add cards to your report. Think of cards as individual pieces of data or insights. You can select which ones you find most valuable and add them to your report, customizing it further to highlight the information that matters most to you. Once you're satisfied with the selection and arrangement of your cards, don't forget to save your work. This will ensure that all your customizations are applied to your report. And that's it. You've successfully navigated the process of signing into your Google account, accessing Google Analytics, customizing a report by adding valuable cards, and saving your newly created GA4 dashboard. This dashboard will now serve as a crucial tool in understanding and making informed decisions about your online presence and performance. One last tip before we conclude: always remember to periodically review and update your dashboard. As your business evolves, so too might your data needs. Keeping your dashboard updated will ensure that it continues to serve your needs and provide you with the most relevant and actionable insights. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Creating a GA4 dashboard is just the beginning of unlocking the full potential of your online data. Dive in, explore, and don't be afraid to experiment with different configurations to discover what works best for you. Happy analyzing!